Hello everyone, this is the alternate method to blink the LED. Okay, now first of all drag your LED in your front panel. Here's your front panel. Okay, now I have connected so many LED to my Arduino board. So let's blink the LED which is connected to pin number 4. This LED is connected to pin number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means we are going to blink this LED. Just focus on this LED. Okay. Now go to your block diagram. Here's my block diagram. Draw while loop first. Okay, now to blink the LED you need only two values. Alright, and your while loop runs continuously until you press this stop button. Okay, so to get only two values, let's first of all observe our loop counter. Okay, which will count the execution of our loop. Now add some delay so that we can see our counter. 500 millisecond is enough. Okay, now hit your run button. You will see your loop counter will run continuously until you press this stop button. Okay, now you need only two values. For that, go to numeric, just right click on it, go to numeric and select quotient and remainder operator. Okay, now we'll divide our loop counter with constant 2. Okay, alright, so here you will get two results. One is remainder, another is quotient. So we don't need quotient, we need only remainder. Okay, so this remainder will provide you the two values. Go to your front panel. Okay, let's increase its sizes. Oh, sorry. Alright, now hit your run button. You will see you are getting only two values, 0, 1, 0, 1 in your remainder. Okay, so you can use this value to blink your LED. Alright, okay, now go to your block diagram. First of all, drag your Arduino initialization. Alright, then just right click on your visa resource and create your COM port. COM port. Alright, now you need to declare your LED as an input or output, sorry, Arduino pin. And I have connected, first of all, connect your Arduino resource and error in. Okay, LED I have connected to pin number 4 and my pin mode is an output because my LED is an output component. Okay, alright, now select your case structure to write only two values. Okay, so here's your case selector. Alright, so right now it has only two values, either true either false. Now if we connect it to a numeric value, then it will convert itself into numerics. Okay, now add another case and make this case this default case. Okay, now in 0 state we want to turn off our LED. So select your Arduino, digital write pin and digital read pin. Okay, and Arduino close function also. Okay, now first of all connect your Arduino resource and error out. Okay, with my Arduino resource and error out of all function. Okay, to communicate with same protocols, that means baud rate, the COM port, etc. Okay, alright, first of all declare your pin, which is pin number 4. Now in 0 state we want to turn off our LEDs, so I'm writing 0. So here you'll write the pin number 4. Okay, now just write your condition to turn on and off your LED. Okay, if my value equals to 1, I'm sure which will never be 1. Alright, so it means it will turn off my LED in virtual also. Okay, now just copy and paste this function copy this function and paste into your state 1. Okay, and just write the value 1. Alright, and connect these two terminals also. Okay, now in default case you don't want nothing, so actually your default case will never come. Okay, so it's just to remove your error. Now let's control our delay from front panel. Okay, so select your slider, delay. Just right click on it and change its scale to, let's say, 10 millisecond to 300 millisecond is enough. Okay, so there's my delay. Connect my delay to this. Alright, now go to your front panel. Here's my front panel. Let's increase its size also. 10 COM port, COM 6, hit run button. Okay, so here you can see the blinking of your LED, and here I am controlling the delay. Okay, so you can adjust your delay according to yourself. Now you can see your loop counter has reduced up to 180 and your remainder values is still 0 or 1. Okay, so that's it. Now let's do our next exercise.